Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the PS5 or waking it from rest mode and charging the Edge controller above 20%. Connect the controller to the console with a known good USB-C cable. This wired link forces initial recognition. Once connected, press and hold the PlayStation button for 3 seconds to wake the controller, then use the small reset pinhole only if the controller fails to respond. These wired first steps establish a trusted pairing that the console records, so make sure the cable stays connected until confirmation. Once wired recognition is active, you transition to the binding sequence by pressing and holding Create and the PlayStation buttons simultaneously for 5 to 7 seconds. This forces the Edge into pairing mode. Make sure to watch the PS5 accessories menu, navigate to controllers or Bluetooth devices, and select the Edge controller entry when it appears. The controller's light bar will flash a specific pattern to indicate pairing. After selection, wait for the on-screen confirmation saying the controller is connected and registered to your PS5 account. To finish, unplug the USB-C cable only after the console displays a registered or connected message, then test all inputs and adaptive trigger profiles to confirm full functionality. If the controller fails to connect, immediately perform a reset using the back pinhole, then repeat the wired pairing sequence. This clears stale Bluetooth states. Also make sure you install any controller firmware updates from PS5 Settings Accessories firmware, because outdated firmware commonly prevents successful wireless bonds. Once updated, retry the binding process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.